Have him around.
And he's got one mission in life, it's to teach the world to dance.
So if you want to go along and check it out, you might be surprised how easy and how fun it is.
So much fun.
Baby, baby, will you marry me? She said,
Yeah.
Sorry, daddy, but what can I say? I found a new love just the other day, and you've been barking up the wrong tree. Yeah, barking up the wrong tree. You've been barking up the wrong tree. That's what she said to me. Then I pleaded and I begged nearly out of my mind. I said, baby, 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 girl, the hugs are fine. She said, sorry, daddy, try to understand. Cutest guy in the land. You've been barking up the wrong tree. You're barking up the wrong tree. You're barking up the wrong tree. That's what she said to me. Felt so blue. I said, baby, baby, does that mean we are through? She said,
yep.
I'm sorry, Andy, but can't you take a hint?